Hello, today I will show you how you can run multiple checkpoints, LoRA model and controlnet. First, download the notebook file from the description and then upload it. As you can see, here's our model, our checkpoint. I will show you how to set up the model you want for Hugging Face or Civitai. I want two checkpoint files. I will copy at this line without deleting it and paste it on the line below. I will get Epicrealism as the second model without deleting the architecture model. So we will have two checkpoints. If you want, you can overwrite the architecture model or add different models on different lines. First, I will show it for Hugging Face. Click on the Safe Tensors or CCKPT link for the model you want. Then copy the download link and go back to Colab and set the link address and name according to what you copied. Now I will show it for Civitai. In the same way, right-click on the download button, copy the link and go back to Colab and change the link. Now we will do the same for any LoRA model you want. There may be some peoples here who ask, why are we pasting the LoRA model under the checkpoint models and in the file location? This is because the LoRA folder is not immediately created in the models folder. But don't worry, once all the files are downloaded, we will move the LoRA model to the LoRA folder. Let's move on to controlnet setting. In the code here, we delete the hashtag at the beginning of the controlnet models we want to download. Since I want 4 controlnet models, I only delete the hashtags at the beginning of them lines. If the controlnet model you are looking for is not there, you can copy one of the lines for controlnet, paste it below, and edit it for Hugging Face or Civitai in the same way. Yes, I finally organized the checkpoint models I wanted, the LoRA model and the controlnet models. Now it's time for run cell. The PyTorch model bin file is also loaded. Now we can open the Gradio link in a new tab. The Add Detail LoRA model we added appears inside the checkpoint models. It doesn't even show up in the LoRA folder. Let's go back to Google Colab and fix this. Let's give the LoRA model, which has been downloaded to Model's Stable Diffusion file location, back where it belongs. It's done. Now it's time to reload user interface. Yes, this is the first lucky photo generated. I think the characters are really realistic, LOL. Now let's check the controlnet models. I think it's beautiful. I would frame it and hang it on the wall of my house. Let's take a look at the 3D Pose plugin. I don't know how to use it. Well, so much for our adventure. In this video, I explained how you can add as many checkpoints, LoRA models, and controlnet models as you want. I am closing the project. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye-bye.